Okay, so I have finished fabricating up my kickstand. I was going to go with a different design initially. I was going to put one on both sides and kind of stick them back in here in these corners, but it just wasn't going to work out, and I actually really like the way what I did turned out, and it is doable on just about any John Deere snowplow, from a 400 to a 430 or a 318 or a, any of those, the 300 series or 400 series. And I don't know about the 425s. I don't know if they use the newer quick hitch or if they make one similar to this with the same push frame, but it uses the same bolt holes, and I square cut the holes down in here. See if I can point the camera straight. And so the original carriage bolts just fit right in there. And the kickstand is just a piece of 1.25 inch by quarter, or 3/16 tubing, and a piece of 2 inch by 1/4 inch wall tubing, a piece of 1.5 by 1/4 inch wall tubing. And when you're not using it, just turn it up, which I will demonstrate in a little bit, and just a little 1/4 inch foot on it. And I got it cut to the right height. It may be different for other tractors, but I got it cut to the right height for this particular tractor, to where I can raise the plow all the way up, or put the lift piston all the way up, and it will be at just the right height back here to go into the receivers on the tractor. So just watch. I'm not going to turn her on. I'll just put her in neutral, and we'll push her forward and get our caps out of the way. As you can see, goes right back in there. And now we will set the camera down. We'll take and connect our hydraulic lines up. Counterintuitive. So if this is going that way, it goes on this side, as far as I can remember. So get your hydraulics hooked up. Turn the tractor on. Pop the pins. Right there. It doesn't reach away, you still got full range of motion. Then when you want to disconnect, pop her and float, pull your pins out, pull this little guy, turn the tractor off, cycle your hydraulic levers to take the pressure off the lines so that they will come loose and so that you can put them. Well, I don't know how long the camera wasn't filming there, but as I was saying, you can just back right out once you got everything disconnected, and the kickstand will hold it right up. This is a plow off of a 420, so if you can't find a plow for your 400, because the 56 or whatever they are is very difficult to find, You can probably copy my modification here. It's all 1/4-inch plate, a little bit of tubing. The original plate here is 5/16, which is kind of odd, but it doesn't look too bad. If you make a nice clean weld along here, it doesn't look like it's any different. I still got to put my cotter pin back in there. And then these two pieces back here were just some more plate that I cut and bent. And I tried to stick with the kind of the sharp corner idea, but I didn't like all the sharp edges, so I took a flap disc and cleaned everybody down. And tomorrow I'll take it all apart and start cleaning her back up again. Got some fluid leaks I got to work on, but all in all, I think we're in good shape. So that is my more or less